Well, folks, got northbound CSX. Springfield, Tennessee on the Harrison sub. Which blows. You can hear it all the way from here. Loud one. Looks like we might have turbo lag on this one. Got a coal train, looks like, maybe. Got a ton of units here. Yeah, we might have turbo lag on this one. No way! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you genuinely kidding me? Are you kidding? No freaking way! No freaking way, dude! Another heritage unit's got to the list there. I was already coming up here to wait for 1899 anyway. That was awesome. Really booking it. Knocked over my chair again. Jesus! My ears are ringing, genuinely. See the end coming up. $1972, second out. I already heard 1899 was coming anyway. I was not expecting 1972 to be trailing. Fact, not 1972. Fact, the family line system was never actually a railroad, it was a holding company. I think it had the Atlantic coastline, Louisville, Nashville, and Seaboard coastline in it. But yeah, that was awesome. It's another one to add to the list of heritage units. Might see 1899 here, but, well, folks, JSK395. Peace out, guys.